I think I could be one of the first person who's actually bought this device with his hard-earned money. This is the poor man version, the inexpensive one. Satisfaction. 4K 60 frames per second without any video stabilization, narrow mode, which is very wide, holding the camera with my hand. Same place would we film the GoPro. Alright, how close can I get? Close. Alright, but that's without any video stabilization. How stable it is? It looks stable on the camera. Let me switch. And that's wide with rock steady. Do we see any difference? That is the question. Okay, maybe less distorted, but still wide. Wide. Vlogging style, full length of my arm, wide. Let me switch. And that's rock steady plus ultra wide. Vlogging style, I mean the differences are not that huge like in the GoPro, but still it looks very stable. And finally we do have a sound clock. We see how accurate that will be. Check out the date, check out the time. Alright. And with the iPhone, yeah, it's definitely accurate. That's super cool. Really cool. Let's continue. And horizon balancing, what does that mean? It means then we can tilt the camera up to 40 degrees and it's still, okay, it's tilted high. Oh, now it's getting, that's 40 degrees. But that's not horizon lock, we cannot do 360. Just 40%. Nice. Full length of my arm. But that's all a bit boring. Let's take a ride. If it's too windy, I will cancel the wind in post-production via DaVinci. Has a great cancellation. Of course, you can use a DJI wireless mic too, which is compatible with this device. But at the moment, I don't have one. Real life test at night. Let's take a ride. With the regular mode. How crazy is that? Whoa! Really good. Really good in 60 frames per second. That's really good. Of course, we can switch to the night mode, which is, and there you go, and it's limited to 5 minutes. That's what it says on the screen. But it's even brighter. So now the night riding is available for you. Woo. Yeah, it's chilly. I thought it would be warmer. I'm getting cold. Oh, no, and I have a red light. There you go, a red light. And when we enter a complete dark environment, looks really awesome. Wow. Is it possible to vlog? Well, yeah, of course. Wow, such a bright image. And have a snack. That's better than the iPhone. Easy to vlog. Very bright. And video stabilization on. Any difference? And when you swim with it, it will show you how deep you are in the water, the depth. I don't think anyone cares. There's a couple of issues. like Wi-Fi 7. It will prompt you that your passkey is incorrect, which is not true at all. So it's not compatible with Wi-Fi 7. Wi-Fi 6 is compatible, and the lower number, at least at the time when I'm recording this video. Streaming, if I want to stream on YouTube, all I got is the thumbnail and a sign, coming soon. So it is showing me that it's streaming, but in fact it is not. The same thing when I try to custom streaming. And when I try the Facebook streaming, it's instant and it works all the time. So that needs to be fixed. Battery life is great. I got 3 hours in 4K. That is astonishing. But with what cost? You see, I think they achieved such a great battery life lowering the bitrate. And bitrate is the amount of data you will receive recording your footage. The lower it goes, the less battery it needs. With a GoPro, it's like 11 to 12. With DJI, 7 to 6. What does that mean? It means half the data. And I immediately spotted, because I had a GoPro just a couple of days ago, image quality. That is the key when I'm buying the sports camera. That is the main feature which I want to have the best of the best. And with DJI is always like that. Same with the microphones. They have a cool features and all, but the audio itself is not the best in the market. So there you go. It's cool, but you will have a greater image quality in a GoPro 13 in daylight. Yeah, that's all I got. See you next video.